मंगळारा क्लिंट रिबेलोक ऑस्पिसियोंतल्यान डिस्चार्ज दिल्लो. पोलिसांनी माफी मागची आनी ताच्या नांवार केस आसा ती रद्द करची म्हूण ताची मागणी.
We have asked for apology, withdrawal of the case which is registered against him under 353, and also the reasons why this incident has actually taken place, because we are not aware of why the incident had taken place, because there was a confusion apparently due to them. Now we do not know what has gone through there, and he also doesn't know what has gone through. So we want to know the reasons actually why it has happened.
Any suspension?
We had asked for action against the 5 concerned police, and right now it is kept on hold till the inquiry is complete. Now the inquiry is not complete because we wanted an explanation from the 5 police officers, which was not given to us today. So it is kept tomorrow. So hopefully we get a result thereafter.
प्रुडंटा खातीर साव्यो डायस.